Welcome back to the channel, RK Auto Detailing. Here we're just gonna take a quick recording to document what we're up against here prior to washing. We will assess and talk about what our plan of action is going to be when we get it inside. So we're going to speed this up, kind of go through it real quick, keep that a mental note, and we'll see you here on the other side. Here we are with the interior. We're gonna get diving in. The leg work here is just vacuuming. Just vacuuming. Once I get the vacuuming done, I'll just come back, finesse everything with the drill brushes, and then wipe everything down. It's just dirt on top of the carpet, but it's not stained. It's not covered in, you know, tons of pet hair. But like these seat tracks here, I could shed some more light. These seat tracks, that side over there, that one's really gummed up. So I'm gonna probably get a screwdriver and just kind of dig stuff out and suck it up with the vac. Work it a little bit with probably some cleaner. But other than that, didn't know, you never know what you're gonna get, but this is just the average, you know, family vehicle. So we have definitely been into some horror stories of interiors before, but no, got the outside done. We'll do a walk around with that after I wrap this up, and we'll do a complete walk around. So that's all I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna bore everyone with all the details, but it's just vacuuming, and I don't think everyone wants to sit and watch me vacuum. I may get a little bit of footage, but like I said, I'll get the heavy stuff off first, come back through, hit stuff with the drill brush. I may hit this floor on the driver's side with a little bit of cleaner. I'm not going to use the extractor, but I'm just going to loosen everything up with the drill brush. So that's where we're at. That's what we have. And we'll get started. The final thing I'm going to do before I call the client is I am going to use my air gun to dress the wheels, and it has plastic trim down along the bottom. So I'm just going to dress that out with the shine off from Jack's Wax. So we'll probably just get the final look on this. But for the most part, it's just a daily use for 2010. I will have to say this is an exceptionally well taken care of for a 13-year-old vehicle. I've seen vehicles 5 years or less old in worse condition. So this at least has been kept up in some means. So till the next segment here, we'll move along.